So that wraps up a variety of tools in the Test Plug Toolbox. We've come a long way in terms of seal design, in terms of tool design, in terms of solving a lot of challenges for our clients in a lot of different ways with self-energizing tools, self-centering tools, nozzle test tools, flex tools that'll go around elbows, a variety of inflatable isolation products like the Ultra Twins and the Argo Purges, some more niche creative tools like the hub test tools, allowing us to help you hydro test Greylock and SecureMax connections, and crazy tools like the elbow grip plug, the longbow, and let's not forget the LF2 energy isolation plug that came out of the requests from our clients. More than half of the tool concepts that we have shown you and that we have come up with in our Test Plug Toolbox came from clients asking for help because they were told it couldn't be done. And so if you get one key message out of the conversations we've had around the Test Plug Toolbox, it's this: when everyone else says it can't be done, call us. We'll probably figure it out. Thanks, everyone. I hope you got some value out of this quick summary of the range of tools that are now available in the 21st century when it comes to isolation and test plugs. We're not done yet. We're constantly building and designing and coming up with new solutions, and maybe yours will be the next challenge that we address to help you become safer, more cost-effective, and more productive on your next isolation and testing project. Thanks very much for watching, everyone. Bye for now. For more videos, click here, click here. If you have any questions or you want to reach out to us, see below.